How to change font style on a OnePlus Nord 3C Lite. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on a setting app. Now scroll. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Here you can see font option. Tap on a font. Now you can see Roboto, One Sans, OnePlus Sans, and more option. Here you can increase or decrease the font size like this. Increase or decrease the font size and select the font you want to set. To download third party, tap on a more option. Now here you can see list of free font you want to set. You need to download it on your OnePlus device. Tap the any font. Here we select this. Now here you can see how it looks in a application, text message. Here you settings. Now tap on apply button at the bottom to apply this font to your OnePlus device. You need to sign in with your account to apply this. Make sure sign in with your account. Select your account. Enter the password. Now tap on allow. Tap on apply. Now applying successfully. Now open the app drawer. You can see change the font. Tap on a setting. Now change your OnePlus Nord font style. So it's quite easy to get back default font. Again go to wallpaper and style. Tap on a font. Tap on a Roboto. Tap on apply. Now you can see change the set the default font on a OnePlus Nord 3 and Nord C3 Lite and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.